Who's ready for a tasty tropical libation? Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. We've just returned from a fabulous weekend at Ohana Luau at the lake in Lake George, New York, and we're keeping the celebration going with the lovely libation we served in our flamingo-themed party room, the Go Flamingo. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of amber rum, 1 ounce coconut rum, 1/2 ounce vanilla liqueur, 1/2 ounce cherry juice, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, and 4 dashes of orange bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a double old-fashioned glass or Tiki mug. Don't forget the Boozy cherry. You'll find the recipe below. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook for another of our liquored up live broadcasts. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.